Hello. Today we are going to talk about silver as an investment opportunity. I've talked about gold as a store of value and as a hedge against inflation and a good investment opportunity in a time when returns from financial assets are not exactly what you expect them to deliver. However, we all primarily think of the yellow precious metal gold when it comes to bullion. Little thought is given to silver as an investment option, even though silver is a very viable investment option. And when it moves, the beta of silver tends to be approximately 30% higher than gold, which means if gold moves up 1%, silver can, under ordinary circumstances, move up 1.3%. What makes silver so alluring is the fact that it's a semi-precious metal and a semi-industrial metal. Unlike gold, 99% of which gets recycled and comes back into the market as circulation, silver is actually consumed. You can't make photovoltaic cells without silver. Silver goes into your artificial knee joints. Silver goes into the paints and the chemical industry. Silver is used by the pharma industry. It is used in very small quantity, of course, in dentistry. So much of this silver never comes back into circulation again. So the silver that stays above the ground doesn't really come back into play, which means that the price of silver over a period of time can appreciate rapidly. How do you buy silver? Gold is available both in physical format as well as exchange traded funds in paper format. Unfortunately, in India, ETFs or exchange traded funds in silver do not exist. So you are forced to rely only on physical investments in silver. Not all types of silver are the same. You can buy silver in various formats. You can buy silver coins, which are standard minted coins, or you could buy silver bars. Here starts the bifurcation. Silver bars can be of two types. The machine cut standard bars, which are exactly 1000 grams or 1 kilo, or you can have hand cut uneven bars, which the purity remaining standard at 99.5%, but because they are uneven and therefore of different weights and sizes, they tend to be 1000 or 1200 rupees per kilo cheaper. However, the percentage appreciation in both the machine cut and the hand cut bars is the same. In times of absolute euphoria for silver, like in April 2011, I have seen the uneven hand-cut bars quoting at the same price at which the machine-cut bars were selling, which means that a buyer of an uneven hand-cut bar was enjoying 1000 to 1200 rupee advantage over the guy who bought machine-cut bars. I'll show you what a hand-cut bar looks like. This is a hand-cut bar. As you can see, it's not very appealing to look at. It is uneven, and as you can see, compared with the other hand-cut bar, they are of different widths. Since they are cut by hand, their thickness, their cut, their finish is not exactly very alluring, and they are not polished either. So this bar actually has some oxidization on it and it has turned marginally gray. This is normal. As long as the seller has stamped his refinery stamp with the weight, the purity, which is hallmarking, you're protected from any kind of downside risk at the time of selling. So I would suggest an investor who's looking to segregate some amount of money for bullion. For example, if you're setting aside 100 rupees for bullion, by all means invest 60 to 70 rupees in gold, but do keep 30 to 40 rupees for silver, especially the hand-cut uneven bars, which are 1000 to 1200 rupees per kilo cheaper. The only thing is that you need to store this silver in a safe place because it is not in electronic format. However, over a period of time, say more than 5 years from now, I do expect silver to quote at a substantially higher peg than compared to what it is selling for. Remember, electric vehicles, solar power, and alternate sources of energy would mean that a huge demand spike is coming in silver in the coming years. Silver has been declared as an electrically critical element, or ECE, by the International Energy Agencies. So here's to silver, and here's to you hedging your money against financial assets by investing in this white metal. All the very best. Have a profitable day.